everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a fun get ready with me. I'm going to be using some new products, a few favorites. I'm going to be using some new Glowy Complexion products. These are new from Chanel, so I'm going to have a little fun with this complexion duo. I also have a new Dior lipstick that I'm excited to show you, as well as have a little fun on my eyes. I'm popping on a little bit of teal eyeliner, kind of going along with my sweater today. I feel like this ended up being a little 80s inspired, but that's okay. Makeup is supposed to be fun. So I'm going to be playing with some new beauty products as well as a few tried and true favorites. And of course, we'll be ending with fragrance of the day. So if you want to see how I created this look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we need to put some makeup on this face. I'm going to probably keep it pretty simple, and I am going to have a little fun with a little bit of teal or a little bit of blue in my eye look today. I have got some new goodies here that I will be using, but I also have some tried and true favorites. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, this is my final look of the day. I will admit that I'm feeling a bit 80s. I've been watching Glow on Netflix, and that is the glorious women of wrestling. And it is so funny because it is all 80s fashion. And today, for some reason, I feel like my look ended up being a bit 80s. But that's all right because makeup is supposed to be fun. But I just wanted to play around with some of these fun new products as well as a few favorites. So I do want to recap by saying, yes, I really do like this #1 de Chanel, the Revitalizing Foundation. This is just going to give your skin a really nice glow. It's got medium coverage, so it is going to kind of blur and perfect your skin. It also feels very hydrating and plumping to the skin, so I think that's why I love this so much, is I really do feel like I'm getting a little extra burst of hydration on the skin, and it really does give you a glowy finish. And if you want your skin as glowy as what mine is appearing, then I do recommend the Serum in Mist. This one truly gives you a really nice glowy finish, a little burst of hydration. So the combo of these two products are going to give you a beautiful little glow on the skin. Since I wanted to have a little fun with blue eyeliner today, a little intense teal kind of playing off the sweater, I wanted to keep the rest of my eye a little bit more neutral, and I just love this Naked Pink. It's sort of my go-to eye. Nice neutral with a bit of a more peachy undertone. I know it's called Naked Pink, but I find this to be slightly peachy, and I thought it would play well with a little bit of intense teal for a little pop of color. And then I wanted to use the Lip and Cheek Balm from Chanel. This is their new launch within the same #1 line, and you guys, I really do love this. It's going to give your cheeks just this really nice kind of glowy look. This looks great on your lips as well, so used that as blush. I also pulled out the Westman Atelier highlighter, and this one is in Parla, which came along with the holiday set, and it's just a really pretty champagne gold color. It's again just going to give you a little bit of glowiness on the skin. Then I set everything with the La Mer Sheer powder. Still loving this powder, still my favorite. And then I did pick up one of the new Christian Dior lipsticks. I couldn't resist this houndstooth lipstick case, just so cute, and I ended up picking it up in the shade 728, which is Nude Rose, and this just feels really wonderful on the lips. It does kind of have a balm-like texture, and this is one of these kind of nude rosewood colors, and I just really like it. So not that I need any more lipsticks, but I wanted to pick up one of these. These are refillable, and I'm really liking this lip color because it's got a little bit of oomph to it, but it also is kind of your everyday nude rosewood color. So definitely wanted to pick up one of these. And then for fragrance of the day, I ended up using my current obsession, and that is Amouage. This is Lilac Love, and I just love this one because it's got this beautiful floral bouquet in here, definitely a dominant lilac flower. So this one is sort of transporting me out of the doldrums, but it's also got this rich base in here. It's got tonka bean in here. It's also got a touch of cacao, so it gives a little bit of warmth to this. So chocolate covered flowers. I know that may sound a bit weird, but it works so beautifully. I'm just really obsessed with this, and I find that it is just putting a smile on my face, helping me combat the winter blues by giving me a little lift with those florals that are reminding me of spring, summer, but it's got enough density and heft to it and some warmth to it that I can wear this in these cooler winter months as well. So if you have not checked out this Lilac Love from Amouage, I'm still on this obsession train and just can't give it enough kudos. So wearing that today, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the sun has peeked out making me so excited. It has been a bit gloomy for weeks now. So I'm gonna throw on my tennis shoes and coat and get out and take a quick walk before the rain commences again. But I just thought it would be fun to do a little get ready with you today. Definitely feeling a little bit like I created an 80s look, but again, makeup's supposed to be fun. Always great to kind of push yourself out of your comfort zone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I have a bunch of fun goodies showing up, so stay tuned. I have a lot more videos coming your way, and I'm hoping you have a great rest of your day.